Exercise 1.6. We are asked to evaluate the following, leaving your answers in standard form. Exercise 1.6 will help you understand better the basic operations of multiplications of numbers in standard form. So, 1. We are asked to multiply 5 times 10 raised to the power of 5 by 4.2 times 10 raised to the power of 6. This is going to be equal to, you multiply these two as well as the powers of 10. When you multiply 4.2 times 5 times 10 raised to the power of 5 plus 6, because we are dealing with multiplication, this is equal to 5 times 2 is 10. You write down 0 and carry 1. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1 is 21. So this is 21.0 times 10 raised to the power of 11. B, we are to multiply 6.5 times 3.5 times 10 raised to the power of 6 minus 5, because 6 plus minus 5 gives us 6 minus 5. This will be equal to, so if I multiply 6.5 by 3.5, this is going to be 5 times 5 is 25. You write down 5 and carry 2. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 2 is 32. 3 times 5 is 15. You write down 5 and you carry 1. 3 times 5 is 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1 is 19. This becomes 5722. Now we have two places of decimal, so it becomes 22.75. So this is 22.75 times 10 raised to the power of 6 minus 5 is 1. But you can simplify this to be equal to, expressing this in standard form, to be 2.275 times 10 raised to the power of 2, because the decimal, you have moved the decimal point one time to the left, so the power is going to increase, as well as this is going to be equal to 2.1 times 10 raised to the power of 12. 3, we have to multiply, so this becomes 3.25 times 4.6 times 10 raised to the power of 9 plus 2. So when you're asked to multiply two indices, you add their powers. This is equal to, if you multiply 3.25 times 4.6, this is going to be 6 times 5 is 30, 0 carry 3. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15, carry 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1, 19. 4 times 5 is 20, you write down 0 and carry 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, you write down 0 and carry 1. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So when you sum this up, it gives you 0.5941, and we have three places of decimal, so this is said to be 14.95. So this is 14.950 times 10 raised to the power of 11, but this is simplified to be 1.495 times 10 raised to the power of 12, because we have moved the decimal point one step to the left. Question 4. We are asked to multiply 5.8 times 1.2 times 10 raised to the power of 6 plus 1. Since this is 10, it is also said to be 10 raised to the power of 1. So that when you multiply 5.8 times 1.2 2 times 8 is 16, carry 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 1 times 8 is 8, and 1 times 5 is 5. Summing this, you have 696. 2 places of decimal, so this is said to be equal to 6.96 times 10 raised to the power of 7. This is already expressed in standard form. So question 5, we have to multiply 5 times 7 times 10 raised to the power of 7 plus 6. This is equal to 5 times 7 is 35 times 10 raised to the power of 7 plus 6 is 13. So this is equal to 3.5 times 10 raised to the power of 14. Question number 6, we have to multiply 3 times 7 times 10 raised to the power of 5 plus 11. This is equal to 3 times 7 is 21 times 10 raised to the power of 16, which is equal to 2.1 times 10 raised to the power of 17. Number 7, we have to multiply 3.28 times 5.8 times 10 raised to the power of 3 plus 4. This is equal to, let's multiply 3.28 by 5.8. 8 times 8 is 64. You write down 4, carry 6. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. You write down 2 and carry 2. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. We then multiply by 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 0 carry 4. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 4 carry 1. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. This gives us 4, 2, 0. This is 9, 1. And you have 3 places of decimal. So our answer is said to be 19.024 times 10 raised to the power of 7. But just like we did, you have to express it in standard form, which will give us 1.9024 times 10 raised to the power of 7. The question requires us to always leave our answers in standard form. 8 is equal to 8.6 times 1.47 times 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 5. So when you multiply 8.6 by 1.47, you are going to have, this is 0. 7 times 6 is 42. You write down 2 and carry 4. 7 times 8 is 56. 56 plus 4 is 60. 4 times 0 gives us 0. 4 times 6 is 24. You write down 4 and carry 2. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. You then multiply by 1. 1 times 0 is 0, 6, and 8. Sum them up together. This becomes 0, 2, 4. This is 10, 16, carry 1. This is 11 plus 1 is 12. And we have 4 places of decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this becomes 12.642 times 10 raised to the power of 9. But we have to leave our answers in standard form. This is equal to 1.2642 times 10 raised to the power of 10. Question 9, we are to multiply 5.5 times 3.4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4 plus 7. This is equal to 5.5 times 3.4. 4 times 5 is 20, carry 2. This is same 20 plus 2 is 22. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 carry 1. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 is 16. So this is equal to 0.781, 2 places of decimal, and this is said to be 18.70 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4 plus 7 is 3. Expressing this in standard form, we have 1.87 times 10 raised to the power of 4. Question 10, we have 7.09 times 2.539 times 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 4. This is equal to 7.09 times 2.539. Let me add the third zero. This gives us 9 times 9 is 81. You write down 1, carry 8. 9 times 0 is 0. Plus 8 is 8. 9 times 7 is 63. You do same with 3. This is 0, 27, carry 2, 0, 2, 21. Do same with 5. You have 0, 45, carry 4. This is 4, and this is 35. You do same with 2. This is 0, 8, 1, 14. This is 0, 1, 15, carry 1. This is 10, 11, 1, carry 1. This is 10, 20, 0, carry 2. This is 4, 9, 10, 0, carry 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, and 1. How many places of decimal do we have? Is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is said to be 18.0015. This is 18.00151 times 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 4 is 8. So expressing this in standard form, this is going to be equal to 1.800151 times 10 raised to the power of 8. Question 11, this is 2.371 times 3.7 times 10 raised to the power of 5 minus 4. And when you multiply 2.371 by 3.7, this is going to be 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 9 carry 4. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. 5 carry 2. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Carry 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So when you sum this, you have 7. This is 12. Carry 1 is 7, 7, 8. We have 4 places of decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is equal to 8.7727 times 10 raised to the power of 5 minus 4 is 1. This is in standard form. Question 12, we have to multiply 1.528 by 5.3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 minus 5. So when you multiply 1.528 by 5.3, you're going to get 3 times 8 is 24. You write down 4 and carry 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 5 times 8 is 40. 0 carry 4. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Carry 1. 5 times 5 is 21. 25 plus 1 is 26. 6 carry 2. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. So when you sum this, you have 48908. And we have 4 places of decimal, so this is said to be 8.0984. So this is equal to 8.0984 times 10 raised to the power of minus 8, because minus 3 minus 5 gives us minus 8. So this is what you will get. So at the end of the class, we have been able to solve all the exercises on multiplication. Kindly like our videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our classes.